Did you know that African male penguins are known for their unique vocalizations? They can produce a variety of sounds, including a loud braying call that resembles a donkey. These calls help them communicate with their mates and establish territory. Interestingly, African penguins are also monogamous, often forming lifelong bonds with their partners. They're great parents too, taking turns incubating their eggs and feeding their chicks. And here's a fun twist. Their distinctive black and white coloring isn't just for show. It helps them blend into the ocean when viewed from above, protecting them from predators. How cool is that?